Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your reel drafts on Instagram. So let me show you how it looks like. Let me swipe to the right to create a reel. Here I see at the bottom the reel option. I'll tap on it, continue. No, I just need to start new video. And let me create a draft for you. I will do like this, and then I will stop it, hit next again, and here I can see this option, save draft. If I'll tap on it, the draft will be saved, and now where I can find it to edit it again or to be able to share it to anyone. So first of all, I need to go to my profile, and here at the middle I can see these 4 icons, and I need the second. And here it is. Here is my draft. When I tap on it, all my reel drafts will be able to edit. Here I can edit them or even delete. To delete, just tap on select, hit the drafts you need to delete, and just tap here at the bottom at the discard button. If you need to edit it, just tap on it and continue editing or sharing this reel. So now you know how you can simply find your reel drafts on Instagram. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.